Open Google and search Remove.bg in the search bar and click on Remove.bg URL. Remove.bg is a powerful AI tool for photo editing needs. Remove.bg is 100% automatic and free to use AI tool. You can either upload an image or drag and drop the image from your PC or device. I've dragged and dropped image to edit my photo. Get transparent background within seconds with Remove.bg. Download your image. HD download option requires credits to download HD quality image. But no worries, before you pay, sign up with the link in the description and earn a free credit. Currently, I will download a normal image. Now the image has been downloaded as shown above. Now comes the interesting part, the edit feature. I will guide you through one by one features of the edit tool. The first one is the eraser tool, or better, I call as magic eraser. With this tool, you can remove unwanted parts from your image background. Coming back to our background tools, there are lots of features we see going further. The very first feature is the blur tool. With this feature, we can make our background blur within seconds. Check my YouTube shorts for a complete video on how to make background blur, link in the description below. The next feature is to change the background of the image. Remove.bg provides multiple background images which you can use for your photo. If you don't want to use a background image for your photo, no worries, Remove.bg gives you the option to apply solid colors as your background. If you don't want to use any options before then, there's one more superb option. That is to add your custom background for your image. I've uploaded my own background image for my photo. You can blur the custom background images as well. Now you can download your image. The image has been downloaded as shown above. Wait for the result. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.